Okay, FrankInjector video number 3, trying to answer the question about the variability of fuel pressure using the air pressure. If you watch the fuel pressure gauge, you'll see that I can bring it up to the 43 or so psi that I want, but I can take it much beyond that. I can go all the way up to 100 psi if I need to, but I'm just trying to show that with the air pressure alone I can keep it right where I want it, which is about 43.5 psi. Okay, note that in addition to the Multec fuel injectors, I've got a Ford 19 pound-per-hour Mustang V6 fuel injector on there, just to prove that you can use this machine to clean more than one kind of fuel injector. Here we go. You can see from the spinneret that I've already been doing cleaning on this for a while, so it's working pretty good. The other thing I wanted to say was that the Lucas oil straight was so thick I couldn't get it to work at all, and I was starting to collect water from the air. Compressed air has moisture in it from atmospheric air. It's not purified, and I don't have a water trap. I need some help from the captain of the failboat. Tell me about that small air trap that he's got on his home system, on his PVC in-shop system, because I need something like that to get the air out of get the water out of the air. Sorry. Anyway, so what I opted to do to get an emulsifier in there, there's only two kinds of emulsifying oils that will displace water, especially if you're going to work on your motor. You don't want to use oil because water can get underneath it and rust the cast iron. So I use WD-40 in a 50-50 mix, and you can see that that shit works good. They're all loose as a goose, all flushing very well, and all operating very well. The other thing is that many people may not know that these Ford, I actually put a set of these on the V6 Camaro engine, but they were a little bit much. I don't know enough, or anything for that matter, about the tuning side of it to be able to, because you can't vary the PCM's signaling to it to make it work right, but it worked. It just was throwing a little bit too much fuel in there. But you can see that if you have more than one kind of fuel injector set to clean and you don't want to have to switch rails and monkey around with it, if it's similar to the Multec design, you can make it work. That's pretty much it. You can see my air pressure drops a little bit, so I'll crank it up just a little bit higher, and we're back where we were before. So you do have complete variable control without this goddamn vacuum pump issue or doing anything with a vacuum. I took the little ball cock out of the rubber bladder in there, and that did the trick. Now the fluid flows freely through there, and it's operational. And that is the end of video number 3 for the FrankInjector. Thanks for watching.